Today I'll be installing this Hideaway kicker speaker, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't have the connector back here. So this is a pigtail you're gonna need. And this connector is gonna go in here. So right now I don't have the hardware to screw it into place. That's why I'm just gonna leave it as is. The seat will hold it in place, and this I'll just pass it back here. That way I can connect this right there. Disconnect the battery terminals, and I'm gonna add this to the positive roto wire through there. I don't know if you guys could see. So this is where I looped the wire from the front that I connected to the positive terminal with the 30 amp fuse, and I'm just gonna route it back all the way to the back seat. Just routed the wire from the front door seal to the back. This will go connected right here, which is pin 4. I'll be grabbing the ground from right here. It's an 8mm bolt. There it is. I'll be routing the wire through here to connect to pin number 1. And I know I'm using the same red color, but it's the only gauge wire I got, so don't get it confused. Here's the routed wire. I soldered it, put some electrical tape, and it's gonna go on pin number 1. So here's pretty much all 7mm bolts, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and then to take out the ACM is also 4 7mm. So the middle connector is the one that you're gonna be adding 4 terminals to, or you could buy a T-harness and all you gotta do is just splice the wires and then connect them together. But I'll tell you which ones you'll be needing. In order to add the 4 terminals to this connector, all you have to do is just with your finger, just like so, and then you can add the 4 terminals to the back. Pin 5 will go into pin 16. So there's 14, 15, and 16, which is this one right here. On the bottom one, 16. Pin 6, which is this one right here, will go onto pin 17, 14, 15, 16, and then 17 right next to the other one. So 17 right there. So pin number 7, which is this one, will go on to pin 4, which is on the top row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one right here. And then pin 8 will go to pin 18. Pin 18, which is this one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th one on the 2nd row. So that's pin 18. So I'm gonna route the wires through here, under the kick panel, and through the door seals, just like I did it with the other one. So as you guys can see, I just routed the wire through here, and then I'm gonna route it through here and all the way to the back. That's pretty much it for the wiring portion. Then we're gonna hop on FORScan to disable the auto start and stop feature, and then we'll have to enable the subwoofer as well. So once you're in FORScan, we're gonna go on configuration and programming, then BCM module configuration, click OK. We're gonna scroll down all the way to 7264802, and then this second number, we're gonna change that into a 0, and then hit right, and then OK. Then these two last steps are optional. If you want to disable the button, you go to FCIM as module configuration, hit OK, then you hit disable, OK, and then right. So if you want to disable the auto start feature in your cluster, you go to IPC module configuration, and then you go down here to auto stop start, and then you hit disable, OK, and then right. You don't have to do these two last steps, but if you want to, you can. Then we're gonna go to ACM module configuration, then we're gonna enable the speaker, and then disable the engine noise enhancement. This is optional. Then here you pick whichever you got. Mine's this one. Then hit right, then OK. Now I'm gonna do this test to show you guys that the sub does work. Should be coming up here soon. So that one was the sub, the aux 1 was the sub, and as you guys can see, it does work. Here's the kicker put into action. Like you guys can see, it does work. And hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.